Hey guys, and Happy New Year! 2023 is here, guys, and it's pretty cool all over, I am told. So thank you for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Georgette here. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, to hit that subscribe, like, and share this video. So 2023 is here. The fireworks is over. The smoke is gone from the fireworks. Now what, guys? Where do you go? What do you do as of this moment that the hype and the parties and all of that is gone? Now what do you do to make 2023 a successful year? That's the question. So guys, I have 3 tips for you for 2023 to make it a more successful year for you and for me. And that is, you ask yourself, now what is the plan? The new year is now here. What is the plan? What are your goals? What is it that you want to accomplish? I always hear, my mentor always says, what is it that you want? Figure that out. And then get that thought out of your head and get it on paper. What happens is, when you have a goal and you get it out of your head, put it on paper, you bring life to it. Okay? It's pretty cool, guys. Woo, I think we're like 0. But yeah, that's the first thing or tip that I would give any person, is get your goals out of your head. Goals are things that you would like to achieve, things that you want in this lifetime while you are living. You have that right. Now, you got to learn how to get it, right? And attract it and manifest that into your life. So, start writing, guys. That's powerful. Start the process of writing. So guys, tip number 2 that I would give so that 2023 would be the most successful year for you and for me, and that would be, start to visualize. Start to see the things that you want in your mind's eye, if you know what that means. You know, there are persons that do not visualize goals. But if it's a home that you desire, is it a 6-bedroom home, 3-story, 5 bathrooms, a movie theater, a gym? Start to close your eyes and visualize what that beautiful home would look like. Yeah? And that's all visualization is. It's seeing it in your mind. I remember Steve Harvey says that your imagination is life's coming attraction. So you see it in your mind first before you can actually see it in the physical. And that's simply what visualization is. Seeing it in seeing something, creating it in your mind, and literally bringing it to you in the physical. And so that's tip 2. The last and final tip that I can give you so that 2023 can be your most successful year and mine. And that is, if you work 9 to 5, you want to get a side hustle. You want to do something extra, right? Because a 9 to 5 will give you a 9 to 5 result. Now, when persons work after 9 to 5, that's when you actually start to create dreams and bring in more of what you want. So, whatever that is you need to do, you want to do after you get off a 9 to 5, then do that to start to create more. If you already have your own thing going on, then you want to now accelerate that effort, because action, oh my gosh, that's a big ingredient right there. The time, the effort that you put into that very thing that you're looking for, and over time it will yield the results. So if you got your own thing going on, put some more in. Press the brake, press the gas, not the brake, and keep moving forward. Yeah? So 2023 is here, guys. It is here, and it's here cold, and I'm headed jogging. So guys, I say to you, if you want to be at a better place at the end of 2023, you want to start to do some things differently. Yeah? If you're yielding great results, how do you go to the next level? You gotta do more. You gotta create more. You gotta imagine more. And so that's what I want to leave you guys with. It's your girl Georgette. I send you love and light this beautiful 2023. Mwah! Bye now. Remember, subscribe, like, share this video, and I'm going to drop a free gift below for you guys. Check out my step-by-step guide in the link below of how I'm achieving my goals, of what it is that I want. Much love. Mwah.